Hello, this is Mr. Lowry. In today's lesson, we are going over 3.2a4 in the TEKS, which is we will demonstrate and apply phonetic knowledge by decoding words with VCCV patterns. First, who can tell me which letters in our alphabet are vowels? It's important to understand what the VCCV vowel patterns are. You need to know what the vowels are. Just remember, in English, the vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. Sometimes they say Y at the end of a word can be a vowel because it makes an E sound. But those are your 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, and U. There are 5 vowels, and each vowel makes 2 different sounds. Like O is for octopus, ah, but it's also for oboe, O. E is for elephant, elephant, but it's also for eagle, eagle. I is for igloo, and I is for ice cream. A is for alligator. A is also for ape. U is for unicorn, and U is for umbrella. When a letter makes a long sound, it says its name. So every vowel has both a long sound, where it says its name, usually identified with a straight line above it, and it also makes the short sound, like in apple, elephant. So we have A and A, E and E, I and I, O and A, U and Just to remember how to separate words into syllables, that's something we do when there's especially a large word. It helps us read the word easier if we break it up into syllables. But another reason why we break words up into syllables is so that it helps us understand how to pronounce them. As we'll go into now, knowing that it's napkin and not napkin, or that it's robot and not robot. Which brings us to open and closed syllables. An open syllable just means that there's not a letter here on the end to cover up the vowel. So when it's an open syllable, the vowel makes the long sound, like in me. When it is a closed syllable, the vowel makes the short sound, like in man. I'm just going to use a line over the vowel to give it the long sound in each of these. So here again we have hit. We have a closed syllable. There's a letter here in the last frame. There's a letter that covers up the vowel. So the vowel makes a short vowel sound, hit. When it's an open syllable, there's not a letter here to cover up the vowel. So we have a long vowel sound in high. Here again we have a letter that covers up the vowel, so it makes the short vowel sound when it's a closed syllable, like in sob. When we do not have a letter to cover up the vowel, it makes a long vowel sound, like in so. Again, here we have a closed syllable, so the vowel is a short vowel sound, hen. When it's an open syllable, it makes a long vowel sound like in he. Just remember also, when it's an open syllable, the long vowel sound where the vowel says its name, he. Again, here we have the open syllable, so the vowel makes the long vowel sound in go. And here we have a closed syllable. It makes the short vowel sound, got. So just remember, when the door is open, the vowel at the end, it will say its long sound. Like in me, hi, so, go. When the door is closed or there's a consonant covering up the vowel at the end will make a short sound, like in met, hit, sob, and got. Which letters are vowels and which ones are consonants? Just remember that the vowels, A, E, I, O, and U, the other letters are consonants. B, G, and N are consonants here. That's important to know to understand what the VCV stands for. Begin. If we separate this word into syllables, we have an open syllable here. So the E makes a long E sound. B. Gin. This vowel is closed, or the syllable is closed, so it makes the short sound. It's gin. That tells us how to say this word. It's begin. Same here. If we split this word into syllables, it's protest. And this will help us understand how to pronounce the word. We have the open syllable here, so it's a long vowel sound, pro. We have the closed syllable here, so it's the short sound, test. Protest. Now, when I split up this word into syllables, I have pretend. So there, that gives me the open syllable, the long E sound, pre. Here I have a closed syllable, so it is the short E sound, tend. Pretend. Same with this word. If I split this word into syllables, I get cement. Cement. Again, I have the open syllable there, so the E makes the long E sound, C. Here I have a closed syllable, the E makes the short sound, E. Cement. How would I split this word up into syllables? Relate. So here I will have the open syllable, so this is the long E sound. But here I also have magic E on the end, so this will also be a long A sound. I hope you remember the magic E. Magic E just goes on the end of words. Here's a video. I'll post the video along with my Google Classroom along with the assignment in case you need to watch the magic E. We'll go over that lesson again more in depth later. But the magic E just always turns the vowel sounds into a long sound, like in cane, bite, cube, cone. How would you split up my name, Lowry? Because it's covered up, the vowel is a short sound, so it's Lowry, not a long sound, sorry, but a short vowel sound. So that is why I say my name Lowry and not Lowry, not a long sound. So again, that is not an open syllable, so it is actually a short vowel sound, Lowry, not Lowry. Sometimes Y is a vowel because it makes a long E sound at the end of words, like in my name Lowry. Here are all examples of Y making the long E sound. Happy, pretty, funny, baby. What are multisyllabic words? Multisyllabic words have many syllables, usually more than two. Just to practice a few, we have bicycle. It actually has 3 syllables. I put the question here, which letters are vowels here? Your vowels are I and E, and actually the Y too, because it's making a long I sound. Neighborhood. How many syllables are in the word neighborhood? Neighborhood. Which letters are the vowels? I and E are vowels. The O is a vowel, and you have two vowels over here. So, what do the V and the C stand for in VCCV? The V stands for vowels, and the C stand for consonants. So how many syllables does this word have? Unhelpful has 3 syllables. Now we get to the words that are VCCV. Napkin can be divided into 2 syllables. If we're having trouble remembering, just remember that you split it between the 2 consonants in the middle. Just think of drawing a line right there between those 2 middle consonants. I know they're consonants because they're not vowels. This is a vowel, this is a vowel. These are the consonants. That is where I separate this word. Here's another example. The word is problem. Again, remember, you're going to split it between the 2 consonants in the middle. Here's a vowel. Here's a vowel. Those are the 2 consonants. So when I split this word into syllables, it's problem. All right, how do I split this word into syllables? Again, remember, you make your split right between the 2 consonants. U is a vowel, I is a vowel. Those are my consonants. So when I split this word up into syllables, it's muffin. This word is trumpet. How would I split this word? Again, remember, you split the word between the 2 consonants. U is a vowel and E is a vowel, so I split the word here. The word is trumpet. Use the chat in order to show how to split this VCCV word. Just remember that you split it between the 2 consonants. Here's my vowel. Here's my vowel. Here are the 2 consonants. One more. Again, split it between the 2 consonants. Here's my vowel. Here's my vowel. There are the 2 consonants. My video is coming to an end. Just remember, make sure you go to my Google Classroom, go under classwork, and here you will find the assignment. There's the Google form, and I will have this video here as soon as I upload it. Don't forget to type your first and last name first. And then my first question, type the vowels in the space provided. Please type the 5 vowels. Number 2 says, which word has a long A vowel sound in it? Just pick the word that has the A vowel sound. When you're done at the bottom, please don't forget to click submit, and that's all I have for you today. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time. Thank you.